Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're scratching your head over the F3 E2 error code on your 2025 Whirlpool dryer, you're in the right place. This pesky error can halt your laundry routine, but don't worry, I'll walk you through what it means and how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. First things first, the F3 E2 error code typically points to a problem with the exhaust thermistor. This is a sensor that monitors the temperature inside your dryer to keep things safe and efficient. If it's not working properly, your dryer might not heat up or could shut down unexpectedly. So, why does this happen? Common culprits include a faulty thermistor, damaged wiring, or even a buildup of lint blocking the airflow. Over time, lint can accumulate and cause all sorts of issues, so regular cleaning is key to preventing this error. Before we jump into fixes, remember safety first. Always unplug your dryer from the power outlet to avoid any electrical risks. Once that's done, let's troubleshoot. Step 1. Check for lint buildup. Open the dryer door and inspect the exhaust vent and duct. Use a vacuum or a brush to clear out any debris. This simple step often resolves the issue. Step 2. Inspect the thermistor. You'll need to remove the back panel of your dryer. Refer to your user manual for guidance. Look for any visible damage, like frayed wires or a burnt-out sensor. If you're handy with tools, you can test it using a multimeter. Step 3. Reset the dryer. After cleaning and inspecting, plug it back in, press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds, then try running a cycle. This can clear temporary glitches. If these steps don't work, it might be time to call in a professional technician. They can diagnose deeper issues and replace parts if needed. There you have it. Simple solutions to get your Whirlpool dryer back on track. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and happy laundry day.